What's going on, everybody? It's your mentor proprietary section trader. So on today's video I'm going to do a trade recap with you for CADJPY. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also to hit that like button. So I'm first going to show you the way I've documented my trade. So where I used to document my trades, all my winning trades. So these are the trades for a week, for this week. So you can see now I have documented each and every trade that I've traded this week. So let's move to CADJPY. So this is the trade that I've traded past few days, which is 4 days ago. So now let's move to the trading view. So you can see now this is the trade that I've taken, which is CADJPY. So let's see what is happening. This is a bigger time frame structure. So we had our first touch over here, our second touch over here, and our third touch over here. So now we're anticipating our trading entry around this area. So let's move to H4 time frame. So I'm going to first start by identifying the market structure that I see on one thing that we have to know is that market structure doesn't have to be accurate, as long as you can classify the trend breakouts and also the breakout of the structure. So you can see now that we had our level of support over here. Market has broken this level and retested back to it. So you can see now this is what I've identified. So, and also the loss of momentum over here and the gaining of bears over here. So you can see now I'm going to identify this level over here. Now I'm going to explain everything and what I've saw and what I've witnessed on the trade before I took the trade. So you can see now over here we're in an H4 time frame. So I anticipated for the market to move to the upside once for the last time. So if it didn't move to the upside, I wouldn't have taken any trade, because I was anticipating for the market to move to this side, because I can see where this place is where the buyers sellers are in control. So I've anticipated for the market to move to this area before I enter the market. So I'm going to move to a smaller time frame now and also play the candlestick so that you can see what I'm talking about. Let's see what is happening. Price started to push to the upside, so as we were anticipating, and then as the trade was planned. So let's see what is happening now. Let's see. So we had our level of resistance over here, but we are not interested in focusing on it. So we're anticipating for the market to come to reach out to this level before we execute our trades. So let's see what is happening now. Price started to push to the upside and started to create a structure. Let's move to a 15 minutes time frame. Price started to create a structure over here. Let's see what is happening. Let's identify the market structure now, but it's not clear. Let's wait until it is clear. It's really not clear right now. So let's see what is happening. So you can see now that the market, let me rewind a little bit. So you can see now we had our clear structure over here. Like I said, guys, I did so on my Notion where I document my trades. We had our structure over here. Let's identify the structure on the lower time frame. So before you enter the market, you have to go to the lower time frame to seek for entries. You don't have to enter the market at the bigger time frame, so because you don't understand what is happening on the lower time frames. So you have to anticipate more on the lower time frames once you have got the market structure and the market direction on the bigger time frame. So I've anticipated for I've set my sell stops over below this level. So my TP target was around this area. So as you can see now over here, my TP target was around this area. So you can see now I've got a lot of confirmation. So I think let's wait for the market to move to the downside. I think I've missed something out over here. Let's see what is going to happen now. Let's move to a lower time frame for the last time. What did he say? We said we are anticipating for the market to move to the, let's see what is happening now. Let's see if the market is still coinciding with this. resistance. Let's see what is happening. Let's see what is happening. But you have our structure, you can see there, that is our structure. That is our structure. Let's see what is happening now. Let's see what is happening. So I've anticipated my trades around this area, so I think this is the right level that I've entered the trade, if I'm not mistaken. So I've anticipated my trades below this level, so I've started two of my sell stops around this area. So my stop loss was above over here. My stop loss was above over here to protect my capital. My stop loss was above over here to protect my capital. So you can see now that we are anticipating the sell over a clear level, which is our resistance. So this level coincides with this level. Once the market breaks to the downside and returns to this area, we're already triggered into the trade and we're already running. So this is our TP target. Let's see what is happening. Let's see what is going to happen. So price started to push to the downside and we got triggered into our trade. Let's see what is happening now. So a strong momentum kicked in. You can see now the trade is winning. So this is how we won the trade. So let's play the candlesticks. You can see now. Let me move to a bigger time frame, which is a H1 time frame, so that you can see what I'm talking about. So like I said, guys, you did notice how I entered the market and how I got my trades safe. So let's proceed with the candlestick and see if we've reached our TP. So you can see now the TP got triggered on. So there we got our profits. So you can see there we got our profits, which is 1.06%. Our risk was 0.24%. So you can see now trade was successful, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also to click the like button over there. Have a successful journey. It's your mentor pro price action trader.